Hi guys! Today we learn how to restore contacts on iPhone. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Once it opens, you will see all your iPhone settings here. This is where we start the process to restore your contacts. Now at the top of the screen, tap on your name or Apple ID. This section controls your iCloud and account settings, which are very important for contact recovery. After opening your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. Here you will find all your synced data options like photos, notes, and contacts. So this is an important step. Now scroll down slowly until you find the Save to iCloud option. Tap on it because this section helps manage what data is stored and synced with your Apple account. Inside the list, find the Contacts option and make sure it is turned on. If it is already on, you can toggle it off and on again to refresh syncing. This will start restoring your contacts. Now just wait a few moments because your iPhone will start syncing contacts from iCloud. This process may take some time depending on your data, so be patient and don't interrupt it. So that's how you can easily restore contacts on iPhone using iCloud Sync. Once the syncing is complete, your contacts will automatically appear back. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more helpful tutorials.